Okay, so now our pepperoni and onion and garlic and mushroom stems are cooked nicely. So now we're going to add our crushed crackers. Add that in, stir that in. And then we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. And let's give that a stir. Just make sure you get it stirred in evenly. Okay. Then we're going to season it. We're going to take some of our black pepper. Just do this, for taste. If you like black pepper, add more. If you don't like as much, add less. And just a pinch of salt. Now remember, pepperoni is pretty salty, so we're not going to need much salt. So let's put a couple of pinches in there. Then, quarter teaspoon of oregano. Throw that in. And last but not least, we're going to throw in our chicken broth. Okay, so that was 3/4 a cup of chicken broth. Just get that in there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to remove it from the heat and we're going to let it cool until it's cool to the touch.